Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to share photos, video and any type of file to your computer from your Android device without any USB cable. We know that for sharing or received file from Android to PC, USB cable is the best and fastest way. But all-time usage of USB cable is boring for us. So in this video I want to show you how to share file by your Android device to computer or computer to your Android device without any USB cable with fastest speed. So let's start the video. And before starting the video, I'll ask you something that if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So let's jump in the process. Now I'm going my Android device screen. First of all, open Play Store from your Android device. And now you need to install an application for sharing file. Search here AirDrop. Then install this application. After installation process, open it. Tap on here sign up. Create here new account. After that you will see here a Google Plus icon. Tap on it. And select your Google account. Then create here a strong password. Finally here below type here a username. One thing remember, make sure your password is mixed with uppercase letter, lowercase letter and number. Finally here below type here a username. Then tap on sign up. Then you will see here a page for verify your Gmail. You will get a code on your Gmail account. Tap on home button and open your Gmail account. After that you will see here a email from AirDrop. Open it. Now as you can see here a verification code in bold letter. Just copy it. Now again open your AirDrop application and paste here that code. After that your account will be created. Now tap on here continue for permission. Then tap on allow. Then you will see a page. Let app always run in background. Allow it. That's okay. Now go to on your laptop screen. What you need to do, install this same application on your laptop or desktop. So now open Chrome browser and type here AirDrop for PC. Then go to this first website. Then scroll down. You will see here a option for Windows in a Windows logo. Tap on it. Your download will be start. Download it. I already downloaded it, so I don't want to waste time. After download this exe file, open it. Then you will see a page like this. Select here your language. Then click on OK. Then wait for a few seconds. After that click on next. Then click on I agree. Then click on next. Now your installation process is complete successfully. Then tap on finish. After that this application will be open. Now just log into your AirDrop account. Which account you already create from your phone, just log in it. Then mark here stay sign in. If you are not mark it, then every time you have to type here email and password for login in your account. So mark it. After that you will see here your device name. Click on it. From here you can share file with a very fast speed. But one thing remember, you have to connect your two devices on the Wi-Fi or internet. Now go to your phone screen. Open AirDrop and tap on my computer. Okay, now if I send a file from phone to my laptop, you need to click on that icon. Now you can see there are many options. You can send video, photo, file, everything. I just randomly chose a video. Select it. Then tap on send. Now as you can see how speed that file sharing application is. Every time when I need to share any types of file, I use this application. This application file sharing system is very faster than any other. By this application you can also control your other phone from your phone. I already uploaded a video on that topic. I will provide this video in I button. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another video.